Hi everybody. Right, I'm just making this short video here to show you the example of how you would gather your clients' details after phoning them and explaining to them the various merits of having a mobile website and the need, in fact, to have a mobile website. Particularly in the last 12 months now, we're getting increasing amounts of data telling us that mobile website use is massively on the increase, as is mobile smartphone use massively on the increase. More and more people are buying smartphones, and for the first time in many years, we have seen 5 consecutive quarters of computer sales decreasing in favor of smartphone devices. So to that end, we are launching a campaign to attract businesses to recognize and see that how essential it is that their website is able to appear properly on smartphones. And in most cases, you'll find from your own experience and playing about that that's not the case. That most websites do not represent properly. They don't have useful features like a simple one-click to call. You have to look at the number, then you have to go to your keypad, then you have to type in the number without making any mistakes, and often you have this pinch and squeeze thing going on trying to read pages. I mean, it's just a mess. And the way around that is to have a dedicated mobile website. So we're using as an example here, I'll be very quick, this is our own website, a CallSign Marketing website. And as you can see, it has buttons across the top. And this is a website design, although it looks very nice on normal computers, laptops, etc., and some of the bigger tablet devices, it doesn't represent very well on a mobile device. And it's important, as we've said, that we are able to represent a client's website on a mobile device as effectively as possible. To that end, we now click on this link here. If you were talking to your client, you would go to mobile websites, then click Let's Mobilize. And on the Let's Mobilize page there, you see a before and after example of a website. There's a web page there that isn't mobile friendly. I mean, you'll have to pinch and squeeze this screen to make it readable. And then here you have, on this graphic representation of an iPhone here, a revised version, a mobile version, a fully mobile version of the same website created by iNet Marketing. So if your client is receptive and you've talked him or her into having a test, and this is what you're doing at this first stage, of course, there is a two-part process here. Initially, you're getting your client to agree to have a look at a mobile version of their website. And so here you put in the client's name, John, and you put in their website address. The website address we're going to use is iNet Marketing here, and then you click here in here you put that client's email address. We're just going to use email@email.com, and then you click the Show Me How button. And if you're doing this, of course, you will receive this thank you screen. Otherwise, the client would normally see this. So you will see this thank you screen. We now have captured the client's details, and then you will finish your call with that client, thank them very much for their time, and tell them that you'll get back to them around 24 hours later with an example of how their mobile site would look. And here on the next page we have a edit screen, which is our screen. This is the iNet Marketing edit screen, and there we have our website as a mobile version, as we've just discussed, with the header there and our logo. The images in the middle there as normal. A click to call button, very useful. One click and it calls. Find us, one click and it will show you the map location, and then beneath here a menu, and then underneath there we have the remaining text and images of that front page. Here we have on the left, this is the editing suite that we will use to make modifications to their mobile website and to improve things and enhance things so that we can make it look nice and smart and slick like this, maintaining that business's color scheme, etc. 24 hours after you have spoken to your client, we will then ping you over a link which you would then send to your client and arrange a time to call them to discuss this with them. As we have previously discussed with yourselves, the package price to your client is £97, and for which you will be paid a fee of £50. And then there is a monthly management fee for this device of £8.97 per month. That's it, £8.97 per month for a company is a very, very small sum. And the one-off £97 is the design package fee for their mobile site, which I'm sure you'll agree is a very reasonable sum. That's it. Your clients will get to see a link like this with the before and after of their website, and you'll be pinging that over, and then you will call your client to discuss with them how they would like to proceed based on this output. That's all I have to say for now. Any comments, leave them in the comments box underneath, please. If you'd like to call us directly or you'd like to speak to me directly, you can ping me over an email, and we can discuss in greater depth any questions you may have. That's it for now. Any questions, let me know. Thank you very much indeed for your time and for watching this short video.